So we're going to look at the music options now. So first things first, while I'm here, if you are struggling to get access to editing your captions or any of your text options, just press on the text button or tool and they'll pop up down the bottom. So when you go back, they'll go away. And that's just for anyone that was worried about that, when they could see the little orange bar where the text exists, but they couldn't get to it. So music, the way I need to adapt music, so two challenges we have here. If you've got a video like we have in front of me right now for this example where I'm speaking, I want to make sure I'm selecting music that doesn't have lyrics in it. Otherwise it's going to kind of get in the way. The other part is audio always comes in far louder than you are going to speak. So we're going to have to reduce the total volume of the audio track so that it's in the background music, it's not speaking over the top of me. So the way I do that, I need to start off by selecting a song. I go to audio. Now CapCut's going to have quite a few sounds that you get to pick from, and we'll talk about in another video how you might not add your music now, but I just want to show you how to do it in CapCut so you can start practicing. The reason I might not add it now is I might want to go into Instagram on Reels and do my sound edit there so that I can pick the most new and trending songs. Essentially, it's more of an algorithm thing, and trying to maximize the chance of my video doing better by picking more popular music at that time. So I'm going to press on the word sounds to find my music options, and from here this is essentially mainly going to be TikTok based songs. So what I need to do is look for music that I'm looking for. There's recommended music, so you can see that I went TikTok original sounds. I haven't favorited anything yet. I haven't uploaded my own sounds, so you might want to put your own recordings in here. That's a bit more advanced, or I can just go to the recommended trending sounds. Now I can listen to the music by just clicking on the little picture or onto the name of it. I can pause it by pressing on it again. So I'm just clicking on the picture of the song to pause it and start it. I can actually move the soundtrack so I can hear what part of the song it might. So I can actually move it at my own speed by dragging and pulling the sound bar at the bottom. As you see, I'm moving it this way. So if I want to check for any lyrics in it, there's nothing that exists there. I can look for different, I guess, styles of songs. So I've just clicked into the travel area. Let's have a look at what this sounds like. Not too bad.
Why do I try?
And there's one with lyrics, so I don't want that one. I might apply that song if I don't have me speaking in the next one. So I might want to do a travel video or a product demonstration video. Totally fine to have lyrics in there. I'm just going to be really lazy for my example. I'm going to click the glowing C one. I'm going to press the little plus button. That's going to bring in the glowing C music. Now let's test it out, and it's going to sound too loud, I'm going to assume. Yeah, so it's completely drowned out how loud I am. So you can't hear anything I'm talking about. So what I'm going to do is click onto the soundtrack, and you can see here I've got a couple options. I got split, fade, volume, voice effects, beats, speed, all types of things. What we're going to do is just do the really basic edit ourselves, and we're going to pull this down from 100 down to 30. It's still too loud. So it's still too loud, so I'm going to go down again to 10.
My origin story starts in the middle of COVID. So I was working in finance.
Excellent. So a lot better. What I can do, rather than keep reducing the music down, is I can actually increase the sound of my voice. So I'm going to switch it up. I'm going to move away. I'm going to press, yep, happy with that volume. So I've reduced the volume by clicking the little tick button. I'm going to go back into my track, and I'm going to do the same thing. I'm going to look for the volume for my video soundtrack. And I'm actually going to increase that slightly to 185.
My origin story starts in the middle of COVID. So I was working in finance, and we were...
All right, not too bad. I might just go back a little bit. A bit picky.
My origin story finance, and we were all sent home. And
Okay, excellent. So essentially, I've got the video that I'm happy with. I'm ready to post this, and we'll talk about that in the next video. I've saved it to projects. It's everything to go, and we're almost done.